The fall waterfowl migration is one of Missouri's most spectacular natural events. Biologist Andy Radeke gets the privilege of seeing this phenomenon from a unique aerial perspective during the Conservation Department's annual Waterfowl Survey.
There's really two primary purposes. The one is to really see the timing of when ducks and geese come into Missouri. We use that information for setting hunting regulations and also just knowing in general the chronology of when ducks and geese arrive. The other major reason we do the surveys is to really monitor the habitat conditions in Missouri. We even restored lots of wetlands in the last 10 or 20 years. And so we want to find out where ducks and geese are using wetlands and what types of wetlands they're using.
Come on, Buckley.
The information gained on the aerial survey helps to better manage Missouri's wetlands.
They're coming around behind. They're dropping. Right over the top. Right over the top. When the ducks lock up, they cup their wings, and that's when they're fully committed. They'll come right into the decoys, and at that point, your mind's racing a mile a minute, and the heart's racing, and you're really trying to focus. There's a lot of excitement going on in your body, but yet at the same time, you get really calm, and you focus on the ducks. Nice shot. Nice shot. Fetch it up, Buckley. Good girl, Buckley. Anytime you go duck hunting, especially when you know it's going to be a good day, you get excited, your heart gets pumping, and, it's just good to be out in the outdoors. If you do your homework and know where to go, there's some really good hunting opportunities in Missouri. Ooh, nice shot.
And in the skies above Missouri's wetlands, biologists are working together with skilled pilots to assess the effectiveness of these important ecosystems, essential parts of Missouri's natural heritage. In the process, they're getting a unique look at one of the things that makes Missouri special, the fall migration.